Pepper blast video. I've done two videos on two different styles of snare, and so I thought I might actually show you how to tie a snare. Some of you, most of you probably already know how to tie a paracord snare, but for those of you who don't, I thought I'd do a quick video just to help you out. Take your paracord and you make a S pattern in the paracord like that. Just real simple S. Bring them together, hold them with your fingers, wrap it about 3 or 4 times, probably do it. Okay, then you take this and run it through the tail that's created and give it a pull. Tighten your knot up and there you go. Just a real quick. See there? It's that simple, guys. Alright, if you enjoy watching Prepper Blast videos, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.